Hey folks, I am the silent flautist Vivek and this is the silent flautist tutorial series. Welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, we will be playing the long notes and I will be assisting you in doing so. This is an important practice and make sure you do this every day. So let's start with the first note, that is Sa or Shadja. To play Sa, keep the Sa syllable in your mind and with holes 1, 2 and 3 closed, take a deep breath and blow in. Good job. Let's play it once again. Keep Sa in your mind. Holes 1, 2, 3 closed. Take a deep breath. Brilliant job on Sa. Now let's go to the next note, which is Re or Rishabha. In order to play Rishabha, you need to keep the Re syllable in your mind. Open hole number 3, which means holes 1 and 2 will be closed. Take a deep breath and blow in. Good job. Let's play the Re note once again. Re is in your mind, holes 1 and 2 closed. Take a deep breath. Good job on the Re too. Now let's go to the third note, which is Ga or Gandhar. To play the Gandhar, you lift the middle finger, which reveals hole number 2 and the hole number 1 is the only hole that is closed. Take a deep breath. Good job. Let's play once again. The G syllable in your mind, hole number 1 closed. Take a deep breath. Good. You've got the G too. Let's go to the M, which is the fourth note. M is a slightly tricky note. Make sure you open not more than 30% of hole number 1. Keep the M syllable in your mind. Take a deep breath. Good. Let's play it once again. Keep the M syllable in your mind. 30% of hole 1 open. Take a deep breath. Good. Let's go to the next note, which is P or Pancham. To play Pancham, keep the P syllable in mind and now you have to close all the holes. Blowing is now in a pressurized fashion. Good job. Let's play it once again. Keep the P syllable in your mind. Close all the holes. Blowing is pressurized. Brilliant. Now with Pancham done, let's go to the next note, which is Dha or Dhaivat. To play Dhaivat, you open hole number 6, which means hole number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are closed. Take a deep breath. Nice. Let's play Dha again. Keep the Dha syllable in your mind. Holes number 1 to 5 closed. Take a deep breath. Good. Now let's go to the next note, which is Ni or Nishad. To play Nishad, you open the middle finger of your hand below, which reveals hole number 5. Holes number 1, 2, 3, 4 closed. Good job. Let's play it once again. Keep Ni in your mind. Holes 1, 2, 3, 4 closed. Take a deep breath, blowing pressurized. Brilliant. Now let's go to the last note in the ascension, which is Taar Shadja or the higher octave Sa. In order to play Taar Shadja, keep Sa in your mind. Close holes 1, 2, 3. Take a deep breath. Brilliant. Let's play it once again. Keep Sa in your mind. Holes 1, 2, 3 closed. Blowing is pressurized. That's good job done. Now that we have done the ascending, let's do the same job in descending. So we get a hang of closing the notes too. Let's start with the Taar Shadja now instead of the lower Shadja. Keep the Sa in your mind. Close holes 1, 2, 3. Take a deep breath, blowing pressurized. Good going. Let's play it once again. Keep the Sa syllable in your mind. Holes 1, 2, 3 closed. Pressurized blowing. Take a deep breath. Good job. Let's go to the next note in the descending, which is Ni or Nishad. In order to play the Nishad, close one hole from the top, which will be hole number 4, with your lower hand. Take a deep breath. Blowing is pressurized. Good job. Let's play Ni once again. The Ni syllable in your mind. Holes 1, 2, 3, 4 closed. Take a deep breath. Good job. Now let's go to Dha or Dhaivat in the descending order. To play Dhaivat, Close one more hole, that is hole number 5, with your middle finger. Take a deep breath. Blowing is pressurized. Good. Let's play it once again. The syllable in your mind, holes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 closed. Take a deep breath. Nice. Now let's close one more hole which will get us to Pa or Pancham. All the holes will be closed in Pancham. Keep the Pa syllable in your mind. Take a deep breath. Remember, the blowing is pressurized. Good job. Let's do it once more. Keep the Pa syllable in your mind. All holes closed. Take a deep breath and blow. Good. Now let's come down one more step, which will get us to Ma or Madhyam. In order to play Madhyam, all holes open including one only at 30%. Good. Let's play it once again. The Ma syllable in your mind, the whole one open only 30%. Take a deep breath. Brilliant job. Getting a hang of it. Let's come down one more note to G or Gandhar. To play Gandhar, keep the G syllable in mind. Close hole 1 completely. Take a deep breath and good job. Let's play it once again. Keep the G syllable in your mind and with finger holes 1 closed, take a deep breath and that's some job neatly done. Now let's go to the next note, which is Re or Rishabha, coming down one more step. To play Re, keep the Re syllable in mind. Close one more hole, which is hole number 2. 1, 2 close. Take a deep breath. Superb. Let's do it once more. Keep the Re syllable in your mind. Holes 1 and 2 closed. Take a deep breath and blow. Superb. Nice job. Let's go to Sa. Again, the lower Sa now. The holes number 1, 2 and 3 closed. Keep the Sa syllable in your mind. Take a deep breath. Good job. Let's play Sa once more. Sa syllable in your mind holds 1, 2, and 3 closed. Take a deep breath. Brilliant job done. We have successfully played all the 7 notes in ascending as well as descending. With this, we come towards the end of the video. I would like to emphasize on a couple of things. This is a very important exercise because this not only felicitates muscle memory building of the notes in your brain, it also helps in increasing the breathing efficiency and the blowing efficiency into the flute. For beginners, I recommend that this exercise is to be done every day in the given format for at least 15 to 30 minutes, which means play this video once or play this video twice. This will help you in your journey going forward. If you're enjoying what you're seeing and you're enjoying the process of learning, then consider supporting me through Patreon or making a one-time contribution through any of these methods mentioned in the description. Or else just like the video, subscribe to the channel, click that little bell icon and make sure that you share it with someone who is learning the flute. This will definitely help them. Thank you so much. The Silent Flautist signing off now. Bye.